My name is Ruth Northrup. I am the systems analyst for Green Machine Sales, and we build custom conveyor recycling equipment.
I'm Tammy Skinner, and I am the senior accountant with Green Machine Sales.
We were using QuickBooks desktop version. We were in the middle of building our Sage Intacct instance, and at that time, we realized our data from QuickBooks, which originated in 2006, was going to be absolutely pertinent to our needs moving forward for business continuity and to keep the history from our clients. The reason we keep the historical data is because we sell custom conveyor systems that have warranties to them, and we need to know when that system was installed, what was charged, what the line items on that system are, and we need to be able to have that data at our fingertips by the job numbers that we maintain. Our experience with Platform Transitions team was really amazing. From the beginning, they were really supportive, understood the data we were trying to get out, understood the QuickBooks system we had, they understood Sage Intacct, and were able to make great recommendations for us. As we were starting to build our instance, we didn't really know what we didn't know, but Hugh and Tanya were fantastic at coming in and making sure that we knew everything we needed to know in order to make it a seamless experience. They were amazing. They gave us everything that we needed to know and made sure we were fully understanding the whole process. They were great. Overall, my experience was great with PT. I would say the greatest benefit was communication, the weekly meetings, the box with all of our data sheets in it, the ability to go back and forth and look at those. Everything was fantastic, honestly. It was very seamless. I could transparently see all of my data at any given time, and when it came over the way that we expected it to. I have been working in systems and transferring data between systems for over 20 years. It's always worth having an expert come in and do it for you. There is no reason to try to kill yourself to get your data out, to get it into the new system. They know what they're talking about. They know the new system. They know the old system. They know how the data should look. They can do it faster than anyone else. I would recommend Platform Transition for a great cost. You get a great team that is willing to work in any level and capacity. They are very educational. They knew what they needed, and they knew what you needed, even if you didn't, and would really make sure that your data came over exactly the way that you needed it to be functional moving forward. It was a great experience, and I would definitely recommend Platform Transition.